Hello, welcome back to my channel, Beads Make Me Happy. My name is Christina, and in this video we will be making our Flower Hoops DIY earring kit. For this project, you will need two colors of size 11 Miyuki Round seed beads, one smaller size 15 Miyuki Round, a 3mm fire polished bead, a pair of 20mm circle wire frames, 6-pound fireline thread, a beading needle, a pair of scissors to trim your thread, and a pair of needle nose pliers to attach the ear wires. For one earring, you need 3 feet of thread. We are going to start off by threading our needle onto one end of 3 feet of 6-pound fireline thread. We are not doubling up this thread. Just pull a few inches through the eye of the needle, enough to grab onto while you're working. Tie the opposite end of the thread onto the circle wire frame in a double knot. Make sure to leave about a 4-inch tail so we can secure that thread at the end. This knot is nothing fancy, just tie a double knot and make sure you leave that tail. Hold the tail in your left hand so it's out of the way. Pinch the circle wire frame firmly between your thumb and pointer finger to help keep everything stable while you bead. Pick up one turquoise bead and one burgundy bead. Leave the beads on the tip of the needle. Pass the needle under the wire frame and into the circle. Pull all the way through, keeping those two beads pressed against your pointer finger so they stay positioned on the outside of the frame. With the needle in front of the frame, pass your needle back up the burgundy bead and pull all the way through. This will wrap the thread around the frame and secure the beads to the circle. Next, pick up 2 burgundy beads and 1 fire polish bead. Keep the beads on the tip of the needle and pass the needle under the wire frame and into the circle. Pull all the way through, keeping those beads pressed against your pointer finger so they stay positioned on the outside of the frame. With the needle in front of the frame, pass your needle back up the fire polish bead and pull all the way through. This will wrap the thread around the frame and secure these beads to the circle. Pull tight and make sure all of your beads are sitting correctly on the frame. If something looks sideways or twisted, remove the needle, then the beads, and try again. Next, pick up 3 size 11 burgundy beads. Pass the needle under the frame, keeping the beads on the outside. Pull all the way through, and then pass the needle in front of the frame and back up one of those burgundy beads, just the bead that is sitting on the frame. Pull all the way through and tighten. Next, add 1 turquoise bead. Pick up that 1 turquoise bead and pass the needle under the frame and back up that 1 turquoise bead. Pull tight. Next, you'll add 1 burgundy bead. Pick up just 1 burgundy bead, pass the needle under the frame, and back up that 1 burgundy bead. Now pick up 2 burgundy beads and 1 fire polish bead. Pass the needle under the frame and back up through just the fire polish bead. Next, pick up 3 burgundy beads. Pass the needle under the frame, keeping the beads on the outside. Pull all the way through and then pass the needle in front of the frame and back up one of those burgundy beads, just that bead that's sitting on the frame. Pull all the way through and tighten. Pick up 1 turquoise bead and add it to the frame. You're going to continue this same pattern till you have added 7 flower petals with 7 turquoise accent beads to the frame. Go ahead and hit pause and come back when you have added all 7 petals to the frame, and then we will complete the petals and add the cute little accent beads to the turquoise. Now that you have all 7 petals attached to the frame, your project should look just like this. There will be a gap between that last petal and that first turquoise bead we added in the beginning. To connect these, pass the needle down the turquoise bead with the needle passing in front of the metal frame. Pull nice and tight and cinch those beads together. Next, pass the needle up all 3 burgundy seed beads to the right of the turquoise bead. You're not going in or under the metal frame anymore, just up those 3 beads and pull tight. This first petal will be the one we attach the ear wire to. So for this one petal, we're going to string on 4 seed beads. This way there's enough room for the ear wire. Pick up 4 burgundy beads and pass the needle down the next set of 3 burgundy beads. This is going to loop around and complete the petal. Keep the needle and thread in front of the frame. Again, we are not going in the circle frame or under the frame at all, just up and down the beads to add these accents. Pass the needle back up through the next turquoise bead and pull all the way through. Pick up 3 of the itty bitty size 15 mustard seed beads. Keep them on the tip of your needle and then pass the needle back down that same turquoise bead. This will position those 3 15s on the outside of that turquoise bead. Pull all the way through. You have to play with them a little to get them to sit in that pyramid. I use my needle to help position that top point and to twist the hole around. Put the needle into the top bead. Don't pull it all the way through. You're just using the needle to stabilize it, and yank on that thread so the beads position into place. Make sure you like how this looks before moving on because you can't really change it later. Pass the needle up through the next set of 3 burgundy beads. Pull all the way through. Then string on 3 burgundy beads this time and pass the needle down through the next set of 3 to complete the petal. We will be adding 3 beads to complete all of these petals. The only one that had 4 is going to be that first one. The rest of them are all going to get 3. Pull all the way through and tighten those 3 beads onto this petal. Pass the needle up the next turquoise bead and add those 3 size 15 accent beads. Pick up 3 size 15 mustard beads. Keeping them on the tip of your needle, pass the needle back down that same turquoise bead. This is going to position those 3 15s into place. Make sure you play with them and get them to look exactly the way you want before moving on to the next step. Continue these same steps and complete all 7 petals and all 7 accents between them. Go ahead and hit pause and come back when you have completed the earring and you're ready to tie off the threads. I just completed my last set of 3 size 15 accent beads. I'm going to make sure that these are positioned correctly and look good before moving forward. I like to double check the other ones as well before tying off the thread. To secure the thread, pass the needle up the 3 burgundy beads to the right of the turquoise. Coming out of that third bead, pass the needle under the beads, not in any bead hole, just under the beads. Pull really slow till the thread creates this little loop. Pass the needle into that loop and pull gently, securing that hitch knot between the beads. Make sure this ends up right between the beads and does not wrap around any beads. Go through a few more of those beads and repeat this hitch knot. Pass the needle under the beads, not in any bead hole, just under the beads. Pull really slow till the thread creates that little loop, and then pass the needle into that loop and gently pull, securing that little hitch knot between the beads. Make sure that thread isn't wrapped around any beads and pull tight. Go through the rest of the burgundy beads till you're coming out down towards the frame, and then you're going to trim off your thread as close as possible. Now we're going to do the same thing with the tail thread from the beginning of the project. String your needle onto that tail. If you're having a hard time getting fire line into the eye of the needle, you can press it with your needle nose pliers and it flattens it and helps you get it into the eye a little bit easier. Pass your needle up through the 3 burgundy beads. Pass the needle under the beads, not in any bead hole, just under the beads till it makes that tiny loop. Pass your needle into the loop and secure that hitch knot between the beads. Thread the needle through a few more beads and all the way back down till you're coming out of the burgundy bead closest to the frame. Pull tight and trim your thread as close as possible. The last thing we need to do is attach the ear wire. Locate the petal with 4 beads. This is where we will attach the ear wire. Included in your kit is a pair of sterling silver or gold-filled hypoallergenic ear wires. Find the opening of the loop on the ear wire and gently twist it open with your pliers. Hook this loop onto the thread in the center of those 4 seed beads. There should be an even number of beads on either side of the ear wire. Gently twist the loop back into place to secure. Create the other earring and enjoy. This kit comes in a variety of colorways. We also sell supplies separately so you can mix and match your favorite colors and create your own unique color combos. Thank you so much for making jewelry with me. Shop DIY kits and colorful jewelry making supplies on our website, beadsmakemehappy.com. Happy beading!